After exporting the data in Excel, that is a GSTR3B, what we have done last time, we have already done this GSTR3B statutory report, GST report, GSTR. First, you have to clear the mismatch of GST R1 and R2, then R3B. So we have to go to R3B. If it is a return format, then you have to go to view format, then enter the period and all. You have to enter proper period. I'm right now I'm not entering that. Go to the detail and then export it into the Excel. We have already exported that. In Excel. Okay. Let us see how to format this now. How to format this. Now assume that this is the report of 1 minute. Assume that this is the report. Okay, this is the report of the month of April. I'll give the sheet name. Double click here. April month of April. I'll remove this. This is an unwanted thing. I don't want all these things. I'll just click on the number 1 row. Click on number 1 till here. Inward supply. I'll delete this. Click on delete button here on top. See, highlight. Don't highlight this way. You highlight by clicking on the number till here and say delete it. Okay, here on top I'll say sales details. Okay, this is local sale, total is come here, taxable sale, again total is there. I'll remove both. Number 2, click on and 3 rows. I don't want that, delete it. Okay, this is my total sale. Here also this column I'll increase, number A column I'll increase up to here. So B, C and D column, I'll remove this. Click on B, D and C. Delete it. I don't want that. Okay. So I'll increase this B column. A column also I'll increase. B also I don't want that. I'll just click on that and delete it. So I want this column total and this. Okay. Even here, all this sale I want to combine. This sale and this sale I want to combine. This middle part I don't want. So I will click on exempted. Okay, exempted I want. So exempted sale is there. Then sales exempted is this. This I don't want. Or it is repeated down here. So I'll click on this and delete this. Okay. Then interstate, this and this I'll remove, and this also I'll remove because the same amount is there. So 7, 8 and 9 I'll remove, delete. I'll keep only this values here. Okay. Okay, this also total I'll remove, and this total also I'll remove. I want to keep a gap in between. Now this is a total sale, becomes a sale. I want to keep a gap there. I'll just click on number 9 and say insert. I'll just keep some gap here. This is my what? Purchase details. Okay. Now again, this is again repeated here. I'll remove this too. From here, even third also I'll remove because the same amount is repeated. Delete that. Here also exempted purchase, I want it exempted. This on top I'll remove. And that's interstate, this and this, even interstate purchase taxable I'll remove. Only I'll keep a amount, this percentage. So this, even this totals I'll remove, delete. Okay. Now this exempted I will cut from here. Just click on this, cut it. Cut with the scissor and keep it outside. Because exempted sales we have to show separately. So paste it here. And this I'll remove now. Click on this and say delete it. Okay. Here I'll keep some gap. Click on this, insert. Okay. Now this is exempted sales. These are what? All these are called taxable sale, remember. So I'll say taxable sale. I'll find out the total of this now. To find out the total, highlight all this and click on sum. Click on sum. This is the total. Increase the size of the column. This column I'll remove. Click on this and say delete. This is the sale part, remember. And this is what? Purchase part. On top I'll put sale here. Sales. This is my sale of April. Here I'll calculate CGST, SGST and IGST of the sale. Now these are what related to C. This I'll remove because this is a total, I think. Delete it. 5% is this. 1, 2. These are what? Within the state sale. This is outside the state sale. Okay. So taxable sale is, I'll remove this one also because this is a repeated one. Delete it. So our taxable total sale, I'll remove this. So sorry, this is exempted, no? Totals, undo. So this is the sale what I have calculated. Total of all this. Select all this and click on sum. That is the total of that. Now from out of this, this is within the state, this is outside the state. So within the state, whatever is there, I'll calculate CGST, SGST. How to? This is a 5% now. So CGST will be what? 2.5%. So to start your equation, click here is equal to. Formula always start with equal to, remember. Click here is equal to. Click on the number here. Sale 5%. Click on that. Multiply by 2.5%. Okay. Now this is 12%. Again you can click is equal to. Click here into 6%. Again is equal to. Click here into 9%. Now same thing I want here, so you don't copy and paste. So is equal to, just click on this, enter. Is equal to, click on this, enter. Is equal to, click on this, enter. This becomes CGST, SGST. Now these are IGST. I will directly calculate in the column of IGST. Click here is equal to, click on this into directly 5%, and is equal to, click on this into a 12%. Okay, now you total this now. So highlight this up to here and total it. Highlight it up to here, total it. Highlight this up to here, total it. Highlight this up from here till here, total this. So this is my total sale of that month, April. Make it bold. And this is my exempted sales. Okay, similarly I'll say for purchases now. Purchase exempted, I'll keep it separately. I'll cut it from here, cut and keep it outside, paste it, and this row I'll remove. Click on this row and delete it. This is my taxable. Here I'll put what? Total taxable purchase. So find out, highlight all this, total this, and similarly on this we'll calculate. This is your purchase part. Okay, this is CGST, SGST, IGST. CGST on this, it is again into 2.5% is equal to, again on this into 6%, and this is IGST part, interstate. Okay, interstate means I'll again here I'll use is equal to this, enter. Is equal to this, enter. IGST only one is there here, is equal to this into what? 5%. Okay, then I'll calculate the total here. So highlight all this, total this. Highlight all this, total this. Highlight all this, total this. And this is exempted purchase. So you can give color nicely give color, make it bold and all. This is your taxable sale, and this is taxable purchase, and these are exempted sales and exempted purchases. Okay, now after preparing we will give the border to this also. I will highlight everything and go here, border, say all side border, and for this also we'll give border. Highlight all this, go here, give border. Okay, after preparing this report, remember, let us calculate the main report now. Output sale. Okay, taxable sale. I will calculate sale. Click on this one. This is my taxable sale, enter. This is sales. Similarly CGST, SGST, and then IGST. CGST is equal to, click on this one. This is my CGST. Then is equal to SGST, and is equal to IGST. Now this is output. Now here we have to calculate even here exempted sale. Here is equal to, this is my exempted sale. So this is sale part now. Then input on input. Okay, here what? Taxable purchase. Taxable purchase is equal to, this is your taxable purchase. CGST, again this, then SGST is this, then IGST is this. Okay, and exempted purchase is equal to, this is your exempted purchase. So this is the way you have to prepare your report of, this is your main report, remember. So again I will give some border and different colors to that just to make it more presentable. Just I'll make it bold and give different color to that. Okay. Okay. Similarly I'll give the border to this board. Okay, I'll just give color to that, different color showing the input. So I'll use this color here also. I'll just copy this on top, put it here, and instead of sale this will be what? Purchase. Okay, so this is my output and input data. Okay, so prepare